this is part two. Remember, this is like I've already made this, so we don't need it. Okay, let's just save it as a project. In this app you can save your project. Here you save it as a project. Let's save it because this is our thumbnail for our YouTube channel, so let's call it YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, so okay, as you can see here it's showing. So please go to new project. So we are going to learn how to work with images or shapes. So this is our design. Let's delete this text. Here the second option, which is import, this one, we import image. So here I have so many images that I'm going to share with you guys. There are so many images that I'm going to share with you. So let's use this one. This one I've used it in my recent designs. Here you see this is a PNG image. So let's change the background. Not yet. Okay, so here you can use to crop it. If it has a background, you can use to crop it, but then our image don't have a background, so it's just the same with text. There some of them are related, yeah, except from here color filters you can change. Okay, so yesterday we were talking about hue, saturation, brightness and contrast, because these are the colors. Okay, so when I try to increase the hue, you see it's changing. Okay, it's changing the hue, it's changing colors. Okay, so you see, so that's it. That's about hue. Saturation is like you are trying to make it to more bright. You see, increase the saturation. Okay, so when you decrease it, it will become gray. So this is what I was trying to explain to you yesterday. So we don't need it for now. Brightness, you see. Okay, let's try it. It's more brighter. When we decrease it, you see it's becoming darker. So it's different saturation, and there is the difference between these two, brightness and saturation. So there are two different things. Well, let's look at saturation. Saturation it's more like saturation, but then it's too different. You see, it's more like saturation, but then they are too different. Use them wisely. So that's it. Stroke is just the same with text. You see, if you want to add stroke to your designs, okay, so you see you can do whatever you want, but then we can also add from here. So that's it, we don't need it. But then eraser, okay, this eraser here we can use to remove backgrounds of the image, but then this one is already removed, so we don't need it. You select the part that you want to erase, then you erase it. For example, this example, let's like erase somewhere here. You see, I've removed it. You can also choose to, here I'm pointing at the top, there is something like a shape. So there, I'll select the type of shape that I want, then I'll select this. So I'll select the part that I want to remove. So selecting this part. So then I'll choose which part I want to remove. There is this first that you can move, you remove the bottom part, but then if you do this, you see, so you don't have to do that. You choose wisely. So that's it. That's the eraser you can use to remove background from image. I'm going to show you another app how you can easily remove background from any image. Okay, well, about mask, it's not important, but then we have another eraser tool here, eraser tool, which is important. So well, with image, this image it cannot work because it has already been removed, the background or the color that we can remove, but then we can also use it to erase the color. We choose the color that we want to remove. This, you see, it has been removed. So that's it. So yeah, that's it. Rotate and so that's it, guys. That's the part that we wanted to cover on this in this video. So let's just cover this too. This is a background. This works with the background. You can choose to change the background color. Okay, you see, these are gradient colors. I can choose to use the solid color that is more related to this one or this one. Okay, you can choose any color. So that's it. You can choose to be transparent. If you want to save it as a PNG, you choose to transparent, and then you can choose the size of your design. Sizing is more important. You see, I click here on custom here. I can have so many sizes that I want. If I want to make a profile picture, it's going to be a ratio of 1:1. If I want to make a YouTube thumbnail, okay, so this one is 16:9. So yeah, that's it, guys. You can change the size of your design here, but then you have to be careful because sometimes you might try to change the size, but then you affect the design. This is going to affect design. So you there will see. Then there is already some other backgrounds that are already available in this. Maybe you have seen them. They are in here. You see, you can choose from them anything that you like. So yeah, you can also choose from gallery. Okay, so you select an image, then let's use this. You see, as you can see here, it is already showing like we are cropping it because we have chosen the image size. Iwone chifukwa apa size yathu nditasankha kale one apa ikuonesa chifukwa tani tasankha kale size ya image yathu design yathu ndili kuzongosankha part imene tikufuna kuti kayikhale kumwambako kayikhale kumusiku. So yeah, that's it. You see, we can also choose from camera. Then yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you. What else? This one I will cover it later, and this is more important as well. So thank you, guys.